This is a short movie to just show our first foray into using the Ethereum blockchain to put IoT data on. So what we've set up here is an interface for us to interact with during our experiments, and so far we've set up a single location that has a Raspberry Pi and a temperature sensor data, and it's sending data every 10 minutes to contracts that we have sitting on our blockchain. So we have a general source contract, and the source can have many feeds. Each of the feeds is a contract. And you can add in this interface more feeds and more sources, which we hope to do as we move forward by adding some solar panel data that we also have. But at the moment we just have the one location, and here you can see it in map view. You can add feeds, and here's some information about the feeds that it needs to create the new contract for that feed. And you can add sources, and here's the information it wants to create a new source contract. So if we look a little bit more closely at the one feed we do currently have, here's the data that's actually held in the contract about that feed. And the most interesting piece of information really here is the number of samples that have so far been imported into this feed. So it's held in an array of structures, and we have 3,432 data points that have gone in for that feed so far. And to make that a little bit more concrete, we can look at it as a graph. So here over time you can see what the outside temperature sensor was sending for the last few weeks since we've been doing this experiment. So in the future we hope to add a whole load of solar panel data and other sorts of IoT data into this experiment, and we will make more short movies to show you as our experiments progress.